Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I came to visit this beautiful donkey, Spot and Tucker, and I brought my grandson with me today. So he's going to be first time in a video for him to show Tucker. He played a little bit, but it looks like it's almost time to go home. You want to say hi to Tucker? Say hello to Tucker. You want to say hello to the uncle? So this donkey is 13 years old and he lives, I think, pretty long time. He's the best donkey ever. We will come, we will enjoy him. He eats his hay and he has plenty beautiful field over here. He eats the grasses, he cleans. We don't need gardener over here. The two donkeys, they do very, very beautiful job. So the Tucker, he's gonna be 14 years old and he's very, very friendly. It's very beautiful to bring your children and introduce them to the real animal, like we see here, the Tucker and the cats and the donkey and the horses, which they are beautiful. But today I want to just show the donkey, the Tucker, okay, and my little Noah. He's enjoying it. He's a little bit nervous because it's first time, but he loves to be with him once in a while. From now on, we will bring him so he'll get used to it. He did competition, yes, and people, they loved him so much. He always got a first grade, a first prize, because he was very, very friendly, good, and of course he was younger. He was doing plenty shows. So he came from Kansas. Oh, he came from Tennessee.
I come from Kansas.
Oh, you're
All
from
9 of us.
9 of you. So
I'm number 9.
the donkey was number 1 and you were number 9
Yeah.
to the game. So anyway, this little beautiful donkey, he has his own place over there. You can show their place, their barn. They have plenty hays and they have plenty natural grasses that they eat. And they are very healthy. So this is the Tucker. This is their hays they eat. This is fresh. They are free-range animals. They eat fresh natural grasses. This is their hays. And this is the barn. This is the barn. Over here, the animals, they stay when it rains. This is their place, and they have plenty food inside and outside. They have enough water. They enjoy it. And this is their manures over there, which the customer, my friend, he collects them and then he put as a fertilizer to his garden. He's very, very friendly. Let me see. Well, my Noah, my little grandson, he's not used to animal yet to sit, but I would love to put him if it's Tucker allow him. No, don't push Tucker. Say hello. Go look. He says all done. So anyway, this is beautiful. Just love your animals. This animal, the Tucker, every time we come here, we have to give him an ear massage because he would love to enjoy it, just like the cats, the dogs. The Tucker, he cannot massage his own ears, but he can lay down on his back because it itches or he needs massage. But when you sit down and you give him a massage, he will have good time. He will have fun. And he loves children. Noah. So, beautiful Tucker. There we go. Now we will leave him so he can go and have fun. And my best friend over here, we have to thank him plenty that he allows us to go to see it. Look how handsome he looks while he gets his hair cut. Right?
Yeah.
Beard and
That
cut.
that was great.
Yes. My customers, my friends, they become my family. That's how it is. All right, Tucker. Tucker, he's pushing his head towards to me because he wants to get more massage. That's what it is. While I used to give for human being, man, people, and now I have to start to give to the animals. There you go. All right, Tucker. We want to thank you for being a good donkey, good boy. Well, I want to thank to all of you. I hope you'll enjoy. Take your children to the places that they have animals so the kids, they will get close and they will appreciate the animals, the nature and everything. Now we have to take the rope so he can go and have a little bit free time himself.
He wants
There
to-
you go. He loves to eat fresh grasses like this. Yeah, this. Did you see Noah? He's eating grasses. Did you see that? Oh, did you see him? Good boy. Good Tucker. He's gone. They go this way. Bye, say Tuckerin. We're gonna say bye-bye to Tucker. Bye-bye, say bye.
Bye.
Well, I want to thank you. I hope you like it. And if you like this little video, please like and subscribe. Go visit animals. It's very relaxing, enjoyable. And we want to thank to our friend that he allow us to bring our grandson so he can see and he can enjoy it. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Nice seeing you.
There we go.